my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make banana French toasts with peanut butter. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Vanessa. The only ingredients we're going to need today are bread, of course. I'm using oat bread because it's healthier and in my opinion it tastes a lot better than regular white bread. Bananas, of course, it is our key ingredient to make it tasty. Peanut butter, you can also feel free to use almond butter if you want to be a little bit on the healthier side. I have both, but for the most part I prefer to use my peanut butter even though it's not as healthy because it tastes better. So today I'm going to be using peanut butter. Blueberries, you definitely don't need blueberries. I'm going to be using them because it makes it a little bit prettier in terms of decoration. It also tastes really good. Some heavy cream. This is also not really necessary, but you can also use it. Honey, you can use syrup. I personally think honey is a healthier choice, but if you want to use syrup, go for it. Butter, as always. Cinnamon. If you have vanilla extract, you can also add it to the mixture we're about to make. I don't want to make it as sweet, so I won't be putting vanilla extract, but feel free to use it if you have some, and 1 egg. So let's get started. We're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. I think that's too much, but that's what the instructions say. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put butter on our pan. We're going to spread the peanut butter on our bread. It's time to add the bread to the mix. Now we can put them in the pan to cook for 3 to 4 minutes each side. This is the part where you'll use syrup if you would like to use syrup, but I'll be using honey to be a little bit on the light side. Now it's time to try the masterpiece. I'm gonna cut a piece. This is delicious. Well, that was absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Vanessa. Bye guys.